right to information. Anyone knows about the right to information? What is it, and any basic idea? Any? No.
Right to information is an act basically which was passed by government where if general public will go and कोई petition डालेंगे about anything or any document or any of the results of the press about any of the mission posts के बारे में वो within 24 hours.
And from where did you came to know about this? So as you said, it's a basic right, as we have the right to speech, right of speech, right to speak anything, anywhere. So it's a part of it, and it was an act that later the government had included, and it is one of the most powerful act all around the world, which is we have in India. It was in 2005. So if you want to know that how much money Narendra Modi is spending for his traveling all around the world, you can know by the RTI.
Basically, you as a student might face the problem while getting admission in the government universities. So here you too can aware about the information which they are not giving to you, like you are not having a proper admission date, or they are not giving a proper admission letter to you. Then you can have that right to know that what's the procedure, where it is the process is lagging around.
Basically, in RTI you won't get result in 24 hours as you said, but you can get the results in 30 working days. So I would like to just correct a bit of it, and you can get to know about all the things you want to know from any of the public organization. You cannot file an RTI against any private organization. In public, it would be like any colleges or
SMC, Surat Municipal Corporation, colleges,
railways, airlines, BSNL, any government organization.
And if you do not get the information from them within 30 days, then you can even file a case later and go to the Supreme Court or the government, higher authorities, central authorities, and then tell them that they've already filed a case to get the information, but then they did not get. So now you can go to a higher step and get your rights.
From the government units also, but you need to take care that every government unit won't give you every information. Like from the police station also, you won't get any sensitive information, or from CID or from law department, etc. Every government unit won't give you every information. It's only the information that might be useful to public only that will be given.
And they are responsible to give you the feedback and information, that basic information. If they are not able to, then government, there is a rule in RTI that if they won't reply you in 13 days, between the 13 days, per day 250 rupees, the government will charge them, that officer or person or any that manager or so be over.
And file an RTI, you only for the Gujarat state you only need ₹20, and the cost is ₹20, and for the central it is ₹10.
Like there was a case that in the movie theaters they do not allow the water bottles to be taken, and they do not even have water facility, proper water facilities.
Proper hygiene was not.
Yes, proper hygiene water was not available, and they did not allow outside bottles to be taken inside. So then people have filed the case, and that amounted to, because they did not give the proper, because it was a complaint and that was a misthink that was there in the theaters. So they had to pay 11,000 rupees. The theater had to pay 11,000 rupees as a fine. So like that, if you have any complaints, you can, you should go and file the case, get your information and get your rights.
so
Now you can see drinking water at INOX. वहाँ वो RO water plant लगा INOX में.
So basically, after knowing all these things about RTI, you might have a question that where to file an RTI. You came to know about RTI, but where you can go and file an RTI. So you can file an RTI to Public Information Officer who sits in the Bahubali building, which is in Nagpur. That area is Nagpur.
एक कंप्लेन करने से बहुत सारे
आप चेंजेस ला सकते हैं